If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. This is exactly what we want to see, quant holders. If you remember, over the past week or so, we've been calling for this dump back down to this $5 area of support, which is between $103 and $108. And essentially by pushing through over here, we created the reversal wave and came up to $120. After that point, we reversed and came back to this previous resistance, now a support, also the neckline of this double bottom over here, and just essentially after breaking out and meeting the double bottom target, we're falling back to it as support for a nice SR flip, support resistance turning into support, and then looking for that continuation. So the fact that we're breaking through this $110 of resistance is great, because that's the level we were mentioning in the past few updates, as it was a double bottom neckline. We hadn't a chance to break out over here, we unfortunately didn't, but then you're creating another double bottom and it is the same neckline. So now we've broken it, we've already fallen back to it as support on the 4-hour time frame, and we're about to see this bullish cross form, a nice bullish signal for us quant holders, because this is now a suggestion. We have confirmed this key level of resistance, we've confirmed the reversal wave as you've seen in today's title, and this next move could honestly happen fast. I know that sounds weird because quant hasn't been moving, but the process of flipping this previous resistance over here into support is now completed. We've held the 200 EMA after losing it on separate occasions and reclaimed it and confirmed it as support, but not only that, actually pushing through the short-term moving averages after the confirming the bottom of our uptrend, now actually reclaiming the shorter-term moving averages, awaiting this bullish cross for a final confirmation that we will put in a new high above this $120 high and actually target this $125 technical target, which sits within this larger golden pocket of 120 to 127. That's initially where we got rejected, and we need to see this flipped into support to get this pump to $160, and then also confirming that reversal wave, which will eventually send us all the way back to our previous all-time high. Because essentially, guys, what we were doing since this $40 bottom, which I told you to get in at $50, was retracing back to this high over here. We can see we got up there, and I used this as a topping out signal because we were running into a previous head and shoulders neckline over here, and that was exactly when I told you guys to get out of quant and start to buy at $100. This is where we were DCAing throughout the whole year, and when we lost this as support, we met a technical target and fell to a previous level of support as well, and this is where we also DCA'd, reclaiming it in the past 2 months, that level that we lost, that we were DCAing at around $9,900, and then now we're just trying to create the reverse wave by flipping this golden pocket into support to allow not only a pump back up to this high which we were at, but you're also creating a double bottom, which on the break of this 1 fib level $235, you're going to validate its target. Now its target does sit beyond the previous all-time high, but let's just focus now and understand that by creating this reversal wave right over here and reclaiming $125, we're going to start this move back to the 1 fib level, and on the break of 235 we're going to head back to our previous all-time high $430, and then of course already be on our way to the technical target out of this double bottom, which will send us beyond the all-time high. I will make a follow-up update on that specific double bottom target, but let's focus on breaking this key level of resistance, and we're seeing those very early signs today that we're starting that process moving back up. Thank you so much for tuning in. On the way out, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and we're under like 20 subs away from hitting 7.5k, so please continue subscribing and sharing these updates. And if you want to get educated, whether that's the Discord community to get those weekly group calls and my personal portfolio, or to just join the ebook course or mentorship plan, use the links down below. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.